Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Solidarity of Mankind. Chapter 3. The Gesture of Humanity. Get connected. Self-awareness. While all of us differ in looks and nature, there is one underlying thread that binds everyone together, the thread of humanity. Throughout history, we have seen that when humanity is threatened, people show solidarity. Solidarity is nothing but support for a cause or for justice to humanity. Knowledge acquisition. Be it on a national scale or global scale, whenever there is a tragedy that strikes, everyone gears up and helps out in every which way possible. In 1999, there was a hijack on an Air India plane. Immediately, the whole nation along with the leaders stood attention to help out the passengers who were stuck on the plane. On 26 January 2001, Gujarat was struck by a massive earthquake. It measured 6.9 on the Richter scale and caused a destruction on a major scale. The earthquake, whose epicenter was near Bhuj, was felt as far as Rajasthan and Delhi in the north and Maharashtra and further in the south. On 26 December 2004, there was an earthquake in the Indian Ocean that triggered a tsunami that hit coastal areas of India. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh were the ones who were severely affected. Chennai was one of the major metropolitan cities to have been badly destroyed. People lost their lives, families, houses, everything that they had built to save for over the years. At times, when natural calamity has struck, people from all over the globe have rallied to help out. Many donated things like food, water, and medicines. People also donated baby food, clothes, blankets, and books for students, and even vessels and other essentials needed for a home. Monetary help poured in from other nations. The International Red Cross Society sent volunteers who were doctors, nurses, and other trained staff who could help in the event of a calamity. Most of the times, life after a calamity is the main problem, since there are widespread infections, almost no clean water, etc. Even in the event of wars like the one that is currently happening in Syria, there is aid that pours in from every part of the world. Countries accept people who are fleeing these war-torn countries. They are called refugees as they are seeking refuge in a foreign country. These countries provide them with the basic living amenities like food, shelter, and clothing. They also enroll the children in schools, providing them with free or very low-cost education. The adults who need help resettling are given vocational training and education to ensure that they are resettled and they adjust to life well in the new country. Such is solidarity. Men and women come forward without thinking of race, religion, or politics and help each other. Solidarity is based on the principle that we are willing to put ourselves at risk to protect each other. An old woman who was stuck at home after the tsunami had recounted her story. As she waited for aid, she and her husband were sitting on the terrace of their house. Her husband was a heart patient. They hadn't managed to recover any medicines as they had run up when the water started filling in their home. She was worried about her husband, who looked pale and weak after several hours of sitting on the roof. As they waited, they heard sounds of rescuers going about in the city. But their turn hadn't come yet. Suddenly, she noticed a movement on the terrace of the house next door. A few boys were there. Her husband signaled her not to alert to them as they looked rough. They might have been goons. But before she could sit back again, they spotted her. Now the old couple was afraid. These men could be dangerous. They watched in fear as the men found some planks and made a bridge to their home. Nimbly, they ran across the bridge. When the boys reached their terrace, they politely said, "Amma, we are here to help you. One at a time, we shall take you across that bridge. Your house is low-lying. From the other house there, we can take you towards safety." Once the woman and her husband were safe, they had tears in their eyes. They were moved to a makeshift hospital where the old man immediately got medication for his condition. That's why it is said that solidarity and humanity has no religion. It has no borders or no racial discrimination. Solidarity is important as it means that people are more accepting towards one another. They look towards one another for survival, especially when threatened with any sort of problems.
Like, share, and subscribe.